Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, viewers, today I'm going to show you the tablet number 9, which is chapter Al Zakhrif. Al Zakhrif means gold. So, this is the chief tablet of these surahs. Surah Hamim Al Momin, Surah Hamim Al Shuri. Al Shuri means consultation. So, this chapter, this surah is about the books that Allah Almighty have said. Do not go out from the books which I have revealed. So if you have any problem to make a decision of any case and you can't find in Quran, get a consultation from Old Testament, Torah and Bible. Get a consultation from there because there are also lot of decisions, lot of orders. So briefly Allah Almighty have said, do not go out from the books. So Al-Zakhraf is carrying all the books from verse 1 to 5 is about Ali Adam. Allah Almighty have given reminder to Ali Adam from verse 1 to 5. Then in the verse 43, 44, Allah Almighty have said to the Muslims, hold the book firmly, do not go out from it. Then in the verse 46, Allah Almighty have given a reminder to the Bani Israel, to the Jewish people, that do not go out from book. Then in the verse 63, Allah Almighty have given a reminder to the Christian people that we sent Jesus, he brought wisdom and knowledge to you guys. So in fact, Allah Almighty have given a reminder to the Christian people that hold your book firmly and do not go out from it. And then further I will going to explain you that Allah Almighty have make 12 tablets of Quran, and in that 12 tablets Allah Almighty have appointed 12 chief minister. So every chief minister have to complete his tablet, his board. So the question is that who they are. So I'm going to show you that in Quran, in Surah Al-Waqi'ah, Allah Almighty have mentioned, in other surahs also have mentions. Allah Almighty have spread his knowledge all over Quran. But I'm just showing you from one chapter, one surah. In Surah Al-Waqi'ah, in verse 10, Allah Almighty have divided his good people to the Mu'min people. So Allah Almighty have said in verse 10, the people who will take the lead in the fight, they will be number one. And to that number one people, Allah Almighty have called them Rabiul Awwal. Rabi word mean spring, happiness. Usually we are connecting this word with the carp. You know, when the carp is growing, wheat or rice, we are connecting this word, using this word with the carp. So Allah Almighty, in fact, meaning of this word is happy, spring, happiness, spring. So Allah Almighty have given to his month the name of Rabiul Awwal. It's mean the people who will see the first happiness, the people who will be a number one, they will be in the verse number 10. The people wa al sabkun, the people who will take the lead. Now who these peoples are who will take the lead, who will do a physically fight, who will help the poor people, victim peoples, poor women, who will save their lives, like Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Prophet Sulaiman, Prophet David, Prophet Zulkarnain, peace be upon him, they all did. So the people who will help them, they will be number one, Rabiul Awwal. Again Allah Almighty have said Rabiul Sani. Rabiul Sani mean the people who will take a second rank, who will come second in my court. That people Allah Almighty have called them Wa Sahabe Al Yamin. Ma Sahabe Al Yamin. So to these people Allah Almighty have given them a name of Rabiul Sani. Is a fourth month of Islamic calendar. So it's mean the people who are on number second. So they will be Wasahabi al Yamin. So that's the way Allah Almighty have run His calendar with the knowledge of Quran, which I am going to show you slowly. But remember, Allah Almighty have bound His knowledge, has limited His knowledge with strictly that peoples they cannot go out from it. Yes, there was a time Allah Almighty have given a free hand to all mankind. But soon, inshallah, Allah Almighty is going to take over. And Allah Almighty is going to finish all that satanic tools and all that satanic al-mushrikeen peoples